Trinity, and today, Wednesday 14th, I'm going to do a project of tools scientists use. Scientists need to use tools so they can do experiments and investigate stuff. Like, here's one example of a tool. A graduated cylinder can be used to measure how much something takes up, space something takes up. Like right here, you could see 4 cylinders with like an experiment in each one. Like maybe some water mixed together or something. Thermometers measure temperature. Like you have 2 cups. You want to have the hottest one, so you put both of them in the microwave. Then you would put a thermometer in it, and then the one that's hotter you could use to drink. Microscopes make objects much bigger. Like, you know that a fly's wing is small, right? So, if you want to investigate about that, a fly's wing, just look through a microscope. That helps. So does the hand lens. It also makes things look bigger too. Like right here, this newspaper, this sheet, or whatever it is, a hand lens is looking. It's like pointing to the words, and that makes it much bigger. Another example is clocks and stopwatches can be used to measure time. Like if you want to try out a new speed bike, you could just use a clock or a stopwatch, and then it matters how fast you go. And then safety goggles can protect your eyes, like when you do experiments and stuff like that, so they don't hurt your eyes. Now, more examples. Here, I brought binoculars. These binoculars help you see things much closer.
Okay.
Anyone want to try them out?
Noel, and then Hans, you can stand by Trinity.
Well, there you go. Hans, come on. Go all the way right there. All right. Look through the binoculars. Don't we look much closer? We do, don't we? All right.
Okay.
And
Give them back.
we're going to do the next one, the cup one.
Yep, you get to do the next one.
Today I'm going to do the cup one. Because the well do the binocular, I will do the cup. Also, a telescope scientists use to see things closer, but they usually use binoculars. Yeah, because the binocular rulers can be much bigger than this, but I'm just bringing this one for my presentation. So, rulers help scientists measure how long something is. So do tape measures. Tape measure! Like this one has a much bigger one, so I'm not going to take it all out. And tape measures also help you measure how long something is. A chart and a data. First, let's see about this chart. Charts, like in this chart, you can see how many bears. It's blue. Bears are blue. There is January, February, March, April, May, and June. How many bears there are? Dolphins, red. January, February, March, April, May, and June. How many dolphins are in all those? whales are green, you can see that how many whales are in January, February, March, April, May, and June. That's what charts are usually for. Data is usually like measure temperature or stuff like that. So they could, like right here it looks like weather. See these numbers down here? It's like how much weather it is. Now, a balance, we'll see more of it later, but this is a balance. And now, scientists also can use books to investigate stuff. Like right here, if you want to investigate about animals, you could just use this book. If you want to investigate about castles, you could use this book. And back here, there's also more books that you could investigate with, like the Earth, dinosaurs, and mysteries. And castle. And if you want to investigate about the world, you could also use this book. A big giant apple. And now, scientists also use the internet to investigate. Computer? Yeah, a computer. But computers have internet. So you can also use computers. And now, come by me. I'm doing the cut, right?
Yep, get your things ready, bud.
Yep, I'm gonna get it. This is a balance. It's a kind of balance. These balances you can use to weigh things. Like you see at the supermarket, not yet, but you see at the supermarket, there are much bigger balances of different kinds. All right, Hans, you could.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Good, Hans.
Well, this weighed more than this little one because this one is much smaller and it's not made of metal like that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I need assistant number 2. I can read this one. You can get 2 things.
Sure.
All right. Whoa, and one more thing.
There you go.
Well, this one weighed more because this one did not go all the way through. That's why it would weigh more. Thank you. And thank you for listening to my project. And now I have some things you can do either now or later. It matters what the teacher says. And
Excellent. Bravo. Let's clap for Trinity. Good work. Yay.